struggle every day my whole life through. Seen my share of the worst that this world can give, but I still got a dream and a burning rage to live. Walk hard, hard, when they say you're all done. Walk bold, hard, though they say you're not the one. Even if you've been told time and time again that you're always gonna lose and never gonna win, gotta keep that vision in your mind's eye when you're standing on top of a mountain high. Folks used to say to me, slow down, Dewey. Don't walk so hard.
I don't think you're doing it right.
And I used to tell them, life's a race, and I'm in it to win it. And I walk as damn hard as I please. How do I walk, boys? My maker on my dying day, gonna look him in the eye and by God I'll say I gave my word and my word was good. I took it in the face and I walked as hard as I could. Walk hard, walk hard, walk hard, walk hard.
Puts a hold on me. You see me once or maybe twice, that's all you see of me. Now all you pretty women, Lord, I hope you understand. No